This time I'm going to show you a different recipe with chicken drumsticks, and it's a bread roll. For this I'm using 8 chicken drumsticks, and we need to marinate that first before doing the dough. So let's do the marination. For that, just cut the chicken like this so it will cook equally. Not only that, the flavors will go through. So when you open up, go up to the bone and open it nicely. Put it into a bowl. Into the chicken, you can add any seasoning according to your taste. I'm going to add salt, pepper, and some stock powder. And into that, squeeze about a tablespoon of honey. If you like, a bit of Tuscan seasoning. After, add about a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste or garlic. You can add garlic powder too, and a teaspoon or 2 mustard. Now make sure to marinate it. All the flavors should go through every chicken drumstick. And leave it about an hour in the fridge or outside. After, put some breadcrumbs into a bowl. Dip each chicken drumstick in the breadcrumbs and make sure that it holds onto it thoroughly. Make sure to squeeze it so it gets more breadcrumbs. Put it on a wire rack so if there is extra liquid, it will drip. So this goes to a preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 minutes. While doing the chicken in the oven, let's do the dough for that. For that I am using 240 grams bread flour or plain flour, 65 grams butter, a teaspoon of sugar, 5 grams salt, and 2 grams instant dry yeast, 90 milliliters water. So let's start doing this. Into a mixing bowl with the dough hook attached, add the bread flour. Into that add the butter, sugar, salt, and the yeast. Mix about 1 to 2 minutes. After, start adding water. Always add the water bit by bit. Knead the dough about 5 minutes. So the dough is ready. Now I am going to cover this and leave it to rest about 20. So the chicken is ready and I left it to cool down, so it is halfway cooked. Now the dough rested enough. Take the dough. This is a very nice soft dough. So press down. Put some flour onto the bench. So roll the dough to a rectangular shape. Try cutting the dough into equal size. Cut the ends. Cut the dough in half. Then cut again into half. Then cut into half again. So you get 8 pieces. After, cut each strip into 2 again. So it makes 16 strips. Now take one strip, take the drumstick, so you put one piece here, wrap, and just go like this, leaving a small space in between. And put the end inside. Press and seal like this. And put this on a baking tray again and leave it about 20 minutes. Let's do another one. If you hold it this way, it's easy. Make sure that you don't tighten it. And put the end underneath. Tuck it and put it on a baking sheet. After, leave this to rest about 20 minutes. It doesn't need to be double in size. It just needs a rest. After, brush the top with eggs and bake this on 180 Celsius about another 20 minutes. Put some sesame seeds on top. Instead, you can use poppy seeds. So it is ready, and this is how it looks like. It's a really good idea for as a party food, and the dough is soft and the chicken is soft here too. And make sure to cook the chicken thoroughly before doing the pastry, and hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.